Hello, we are excited to show you our new advanced design tool. So we'll take you on a tour on how it works and what the features are through our mockup generator. So through our mockup generator, you can select any product that you wish to put a design on. We'll select a couple colors. And then from here, if you toggle up or scroll up, you'll have your decorating methods that you can select. You have the basic tool, which is the tool that you are used to using with Shirtley. And then now we have an advanced tool feature. So if you select on the advanced tool feature, it will bring you to our new designer, which has some great new abilities, which allows you to add multiple items, add text, and allow you to save your creation so that you can use it to create mock-ups as well as then to submit orders. So a quick demo is you have the ability to add an image or add text. So what we'll do is we'll add an image first, and then from here you'll have your different image libraries. So background burn library, your plus art file that you may have created for your DTG plus solutions with specialty media such as glitter and reflective and so forth, and then your advanced art files. So this is the folder where your advanced art files will be saved as you create them. So we'll select an image to add to your design in the advanced designer. You have the ability to place it and move it and size it as you wish, and then add other items or other features. Now, once you add an image to the design tool, the advanced design tool, you'll have a layers feature that shows up, which basically allows you to control all the different parts that you add to your design. So we'll quickly add some text, and you can bold it, underline it, italic. You can select your font, style type, and then you can also select your colors that you want the text to be. And then you click on the Add Text button at the bottom. You'll see it show up. You can size it here as well. We can add maybe a background burn image of a photo that you've cropped out for a customer, maybe picture of a dog here, and as you can see, we can size it and move it around within the design. So once you've created your design that you wish to offer through your store, you have the ability now to control more features in your layers tab, which will show you whether the print quality is good for each image, as well as rotation, font sizes. You can size it up and size it down, and so on and so forth. You have the ability to clone it or actually delete the image from here. If you want to get out of the layers section, you just click off, and once you're complete and you're satisfied with your mock-up or your new t-shirt design that you want to create through the advanced tool, you go to the next button, and it'll prompt you to save the file in the advanced art file folder. We'll call this test, and then click generate mockup. So with dual function, it creates a mockup on the image or the garment that you've created, as well as it saves it to your folder. So from here, you select generate mockups, and then your newly created mockups are ready to be downloaded to your PC from here. And just to quickly show you, your design that you created is now in your art folder library. If we go to add an image and then advanced art files, you'll see it here, newly created. So you can actually select it, and then you can modify it as well, or do the same thing in your orders feature. Super excited. Take it for a spin, and we continue to strive to improve our services with you. Thank you.